Hi, I'm Neil with Revit, and on this Fix It Friday, I'm going to show you how to change the sun visor on a 2009 through 2014 Lincoln Navigator. The first step is to remove the screws that hold the visor in. There are 3 Torx T20 screws on the left side and 2 holding on the right side. Once the screws are out, the entire assembly can be removed. You also have to disconnect the electrical connection for the visor light. The release tab is somewhat difficult to remove, so a screwdriver may be useful for this part. Before installing the new visor, be sure to reposition this plastic piece as well as the electrical connector. Go ahead and connect the new visor and reinstall the 5 screws that hold everything together. And that's how to replace the sun visor on your 2009 through 2014 Lincoln Navigator. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And as always, happy motoring.